My name's Garbage Truck Ted, and I'm here to clean up your damn trash. No matter where you live, no matter how far you are from my company, I will come to your house and I will clean up your trash, man. My mouth is huge!
And then I got a big forehead, and I'm like down here, and I do a little dance for your little kids, and I'll come to your little circus party, and I'll dance for you, I'll tell you some jokes, and I'll slap my forehead because it's so freaking huge, and you can play pin the tail on the forehead.